The radius of a planet is twice the radius of Earth. Okay, one planet is there. The radius of the planet is twice the radius of the Earth. Okay, both have almost equal average masses and density. That means the mass and the density, it means both the planets are same. If Vp and Ve are escape velocities of the planet and the Earth respectively, then we need to find the equations. There is we need to find the what about the ratios we need to find like this. Okay. Then if I am going to take here the escape velocity of the Earth, that is I denoted by the symbol escape velocity, that is VE, escape velocity of the Earth, we know that under root of 2 times G ME divided by RE, where this is the notation, there is a IME is nothing but the mass of the Earth here. Then if I am going to take substitute the values here, that is spherical shape, that is a 2G divided by RE, it is get the value that is 4 by 3 pi R to the power of E cube into rho E. Then if I simplify this one, we get the value RE, that is R cube is there and here square root is there. If I'm writing this one as RE into R square and it is get cancelled and it is becomes RE into 8, that is a 4, 2 times 4 is equal to 8 divided by 3 times pi into G rho E. You get the value like this. And the escape velocity of the one more planet, I am going to denote it by here it is Vp, that is the escape velocity of the planet. Similarly, that is given by 2 times GMP divided by RP. Then if I am going to substitute the values here again, that is 2 times G divided by RP into 4 divided by 3 pi times RP cube times rho P. Then if it is get simplified, I am getting the value RP into under root of 8 divided by 3 times pi into G rho P. We get the answer like this. Then divided by, I'm going to consider this equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Then we get the value. Divide 1 by 2, we get VE by VP. VE by VP. VP is equal to RE by RP times, everything is get cancelled, only the density, that is rho E divided by rho P will remains. Then RE is equal to, here they are given the radius, that is the planet twice the radius of the Earth. Then I will take this one is 2 times RE. RP is nothing but 2 times RE. Then in terms of that is rho E divided by rho P. Then we get the value, that is the mass and density, everything is the same. I am getting the value that is 1 by 2 is the answer. That means here VP is cross multiplied by the 1. I am going to equate VP is equal to 2 times of VE. So this is our answer. This will comes in the option. This is get wrong. VP is equal to 2 times of VE. Yes, this is the right answer. Option 2 is the right answer.